Just like Mom.
Kaneshka! Kaneshka!
Girlfriend, don't yell. I'm already here.
When are we gonna go for a walk? We're so bored sitting at home, isn't it, Emily?
Well, girlfriend, today we have a lot of chores. We have to wash all the clothes.
We will help you to make it faster. Let's go.
So first, we have to divide our laundry by colors. This is a dark color. Dark. Dark. This is a light color. Light. And dark. Let's put the dark colors all together. Thank you, Emily and girlfriend, for helping me out. Let me turn it on. Now it's time to check the laundry that has already been dried. This clothing is already dried and it's time for us to iron. We have our iron box ready. We're gonna place it here. Turn it on. Now it's all ready. Girlfriend, no! It's very hot! Remember, kids, you should always turn off the iron after using because it is very hot and you'll burn yourself if you're not careful. Be careful.
Machine is beeping. That means it's over.
Yes, girlfriend, it is over. Let's open it. And now it's time for us to hang the clothes on the dryer. Let's go. Of course we can, but first we have to wear our jackets. Let's go. Oh, here are our dresses. Let's get dressed. Now, let's zip it up. Let's get on the shoes.
I got ready. I'm gonna run. Catch up with me.
Well, bye guys. Me and Emily are gonna go for a walk. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Just like Mom.
Hi, welcome to Just Like Mom. Today, Emily had a wonderful walk. Yay! Oh no, Emily! You got mud all over yourself! Oh, I will help you undress. Wait. Oh no. Even your boots got dirty. Look at the coat. Oh,
Girls, you went for a walk. Where did you go?
Oh, we just went for a walk on the street.
Oh, Emily, look at all this dirt. And you also have dirt on your coat and boots everywhere.
Emily fell into the mud.
It's okay. We will wash everything. Let's go to the bathroom. Emily, let's go.
Okay, I'll get these. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Emily, look. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
Girlfriend, it's like we're in a theater. So funny.
Wee.
Do you see the stain over there? Let's first soak the stain and scrub it. First, let it soak. And then get it scrubbed. It's time to put the clothes in the washing machine. Let's do the same with the coat as well. Make sure you use the kids' detergent soap. Just a little. That's enough. Now let's set the temperature.
But girlfriend also has a stain on her sweater. I just have one stain.
Girlfriend, come here. This is wool. You should never put it in the washing machine. All we could do is hand wash it. Come on, girlfriend, let's take it out. Let's use the special detergent for dogs.
What a good smell.
Trust me, it will smell so fresh.
The boots.
Emily, what is this? You gotta be careful. Let's try these.
I'm sleepy.
Well, first you have to brush your teeth and then you get to sleep. Well, it's time to go to bed. Well, okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Tomorrow also we'll go to the street.